Welcome to One More Cast. It is Captain Joe. Today's November 6th at Monday at 7 a.m. My time was 6:13, so about 45 minutes after the top. It's 37 degrees today, a little cool, but it's going to warm up later. I'm out striper fishing, but I'm into a big bluefish here. Just to let you know, I am trolling with steel wire and also lead core. I'm using Alligag's lead heads, about 2 ounces each, and I'm using the Z-Man swimming baits, which are much stronger. Let's see what the action brings.
That is one freaking blue. Another fish on.
Here I'm into a 22-inch striper. A lot of diaper stripers out there, but there's going to be some large ones eventually.
Discovery course, идем под вас.
Not bad, but they're all a little small. Let's see if we can get somebody that we can.
The harbor is full of peanut bunker. No full-size bunker out there, but the stripers and blues are just going crazy with these peanut bunkers.
We may have a contender.
Yep, we spoke way too soon.
23.
Yeah, I think I'm not going more than 3 or 4 minutes without having another fish on. They're fun, but they're all small right now.
Another fish on. Where are we?
All right, 27, 1 more inch, and we got one.
This one's on a casting rod.
Here I switched over to a spinning reel with a small paddle tail, just to have a little bit more fun.
All right.
This guy's doing quite a few runs on me. Unfortunately, it's a bluefish.
Bluefish, damn it.
Okay, here again we got another big gator blue. We let him go, and now we're coming into another striper,
Goddamn
which
monsters.
is around 22,
Out
24
there.
inches.
Come on. They look pretty, but it's not what we want.
Alright, we're coming up to around 12:30. It's been a great morning. Having a lot of fun catching these stripers, but there were no slot limit stripers. A couple of tremendous bluefish. Let's just watch this last one. And hopefully the next trip we can get ourselves a keeper.
See what we got. He's not. 24. Alright, 24. Let's go home.